Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate a significant income without leaving the comfort of your home. With the right strategies, you can earn $50,000 or more per year. Your niche determines your audience and income potential. Focus on areas with consistent demand, such as health, finance, technology, and home improvement. Success depends on partnering with programs that offer high commissions, quality products, and reliable payouts. Look for high-ticket products and recurring revenue programs. Establishing a credible online presence is key. Create a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media pages to grow your audience organically. Your content should educate, entertain, or solve problems for your audience with honest reviews, tutorials, and comparison posts. Driving traffic is essential. Utilize SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing to increase your affiliate clicks. Use analytics tools to refine your strategy. Focus on increasing click-through and conversion rates, and identifying your top-performing content. Reinvest profits into paid ads like Facebook or Google Ads to exponentially grow your traffic and earnings. Don't rely on a single program. Partner with multiple affiliate programs to spread risk and maximize your opportunities. Making $50,000 plus per year is achievable with consistent effort and smart strategies. Start today to move closer to financial freedom.